All right, let's create a medication reminder. Your iPhone has an amazing built-in feature for logging and reminding you of medication. And nope, it's not the Reminders app like most people would assume. This is all in the Health app that comes on every iPhone, so no need to download any additional apps. We'll start by going to the Health app and then tap the little magnifying glass on the bottom right corner. Here we can search for everything that's included in the Health app. And just a side note, this app is loaded with features. We'll pick medications from the list, and this is where we can set up a medications. You can track all your medications in one place, and you can set a schedule and get reminders when it's time to take your meds. I'll tap Add a Medication on the bottom, and here I can either manually type in my medication, or I can use my phone's camera to scan and add the medication I'm taking. The camera option is pretty cool, actually. I can just point my camera to the label of any medication, and it'll recognize what it is and add it to my medications. The scanner works well, but manually confirming the match is very important. Next step would be setting the schedule, but before we get into that, let me just go one step back and also show how to set this up manually without using the camera. I'll go back and I'll just type any medication name here, and a long list of results will follow. I'm actually really impressed by this part. The catalog of different variations of medications included in the Health app is huge, and I bet you can find practically any medication here. I'm going to pick something basic like Tylenol, and next I can refine it further by telling whether it's a liquid capsule or a tablet or something else. It's assuming my tablet is 325 milligrams, but if that's not correct, you can manually set the strength. You can choose from a variety of units and then manually input the strength. After that, we can set the schedule. You can have it set to every day or something more specific, like a cyclical schedule or only on specific days of the week. It's all fully customizable. I'll leave mine set to every day, and then I can go in and set the times when my medication needs to be taken. This can be once a day or multiple times a day, whatever fits your needs. I can set specific times when my reminder will go off, and it also allows me to specify how many tablets needs to be taken at each time. The native Reminders app on iPhone allows you to set recurring reminders. For example, a reminder every 12 hours, which can work for other type of tasks and reminders. But when it comes to medication, doing it in the Health app like this is far superior. Once I have my time set up, I can customize the duration. By default, there's no end date and my reminders will run indefinitely. If I had a prescription for a specific number of days, I can tap Edit and set the end date for this medication. After that, we're pretty much done. Next, I can set an icon for this medication. This is just for visuals, and it helps you differentiate different medications if you have multiple medications listed in your Health app. I can set the shape and colors of my tablets, and even choose the background color. Think of this as a profile picture for each medication. At the end, we'll get a little recap of the medication, the dosage, the schedule, and you can add additional details and notes here as well. And then we're back in the medication view. You'll see a little calendar view up top, and a list of the next medications that I need to take. Below that, there's a list of my medications, and I can use the Edit button to go back and edit the dosage, schedule, or anything related to that medication. When it's time to take my meds, I'll tap the plus icon and mark it either as taken or as skipped. When I mark this as taken, it'll go to the medication log with the time it was taken at. And if I look at my calendar view, I'll see that I've now taken half of today's medications. When it's time for your medications, this is what the reminder looks like. You'll get a notification from the Health app saying time to log your medication, and you can tap that to mark it as taken or skipped. I changed my timing a bit just to show you the notification part, and you'll see now how the calendar shows both my medications for today as taken. If you go back on the main page of your Health app, you can also pin the medication section to be displayed on the top of your front page. Just tap Edit on the top right and then scroll down or use the search bar on the bottom to find Medications. Now I see medications on the front page of my Health app, and I can easily access it every time I open the app. And that's how you set up medication reminders on iPhone. Click the like button if this helped, and make sure to share with friends and family who are missing out on this feature.